Good morning, World History Cardinals. I'm coming from to you, and it is February 9th. It's really February 8th, but I'm making it for tomorrow. So I'm here to kind of talk about tomorrow's lesson, which is going to be Unit 2, Lesson 7 about the Gupta Empire. I hope as I go through this, I get a chance to show you once again how to get to the online textbook. And I'm going to beg, 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 plead with you one more time to start watching the pre recorded videos. I'm also going to beg one more time for you to watch them at any length because they tell you the answers. It tells you how to get to things. I literally put information about the test in the video and y'all didn't pay attention to it. What can I do? What can I do? Come on, Cardinals. I need y'all to pay attention in class. Give me those 40 minutes. Follow the new schedule because you're going to be counted absent when you're not there and I can't see you and you're not putting present in the chat. You're going to be counted absent for things like that. You're not going to pass my class unless you turn in the work. Now, I can't fight with you anymore on the on time part. You already know the deal. But you are going to get a late penalty. That's just how that goes. And so I'm telling you, you have a test February 15th. And in this video, I will give you a bonus just to see who's been paying attention. And don't you dare tell other people because they don't deserve to know if they're not following this information. So, for example, on the test that you guys take on Monday, I will literally give you a bonus for some of these Black History Month facts. And I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to remind you or nothing. I'm not. You're just going to send me an email and it's just going to say test bonus. And you're going to write about one of the prolific African Americans that I have been talking about since February 1st. That just shows me that you've been paying attention to these videos. That will be a clue. That will be some points that you can earn on the test. You can get up to 10 points if you put 10 people, but I don't want you copying and pasting. I want to know what you really learned. So I'm going to give you a point for any information about these African American people that I've put in the chat for you or I've put on my page for you to read. And they stay there for a while, but I change it up after about 2 or 3 days. So that's the first part, seeing who's paying attention. Next, let's go ahead and jump into the class so this video won't be that long. All right, we go to Unit 2, and like I said, we go down to the Gupta Empire. Now, with your notes, make sure you write down the goal statement that says, I will learn about the importance of the ancient Indian civilization. And we are not talking about Native Americans. We are talking about actual Indians that are on near the Fertile Crescent. If y'all remember us talking about South Asia, that's the country we're talking about, India. So the essential question says, why and to what extent does the Gupta Empire represent a golden age? So today you guys will be doing a web quest. Web quest. So here's the first thing you need to do is fill out the warm up. What do you think a golden age is for a society? What would life be like during a golden age in a particular place? And then once you ponder on what a golden age is, then the question asks, do you think we live in a golden age today in the US? Why or why not? Again, that's the question. Let's move ahead. And so here is the web quest. As usual, when I give you something, just make a copy of it. Click on the links that are on the sheet to complete the web quest. Write your answers on the document. Now, if it will allow you to submit, then submit it. But if it doesn't, we'll check on it in class tomorrow. And then if it doesn't pop up, then it won't be a homework assignment. Because I'm not going to make you try to go find a way to give this to me. Here is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. We did this last semester. The kids enjoyed it. But you get a link on each page and you just write down the answer. It's so hard, right? You're finding out the daily life of the Indian culture, which, if you guys remember, used to be the Harappan culture back in River Valley time. And then look at the contributions they gave to math, astronomy, medicine, sports, and games. So it's a pretty decent activity. And then you have literally a 2 question quiz. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. All of you need to take these quizzes because they help you with your exam. Now, at this point, I want to go back to the textbook. So I'm on NC Ed Cloud. I hit my little orange smiley face dude, HMHED. I click it. And just like y'all saw me today, I waited so I could get to the Discover link. And once I hit Discover, I remember I was in Module 10, and I'm going to look to see if they have it there because it is showing early Russia and Charlemagne. So I'm going to just keep poking around until I can find if it's actually there. I might back up to see if it's in East Asia because there's the Tang and Song China, the Mongols, kingdoms of Southeast Asia. Let's check this one right quick. Let's check. I hope you guys enjoyed it today too when we were showing all of that information on the textbook. Look, Pagan Empire, the Myanmar. I love this book. I really do. And I just found out these are the people that I am descended from. The Khmer. Wow. Myanmar Khmer. Vishnu. Yeah, this is a combination of India and Khmer. These Asian countries like Vietnam and eventually Thailand. That's so cool. Okay. All right, I'm gonna just pause it. And if I get the chance, I'll just talk to you about it in more detail tomorrow. Because you all saw this today with the Justinian Code. And early Russia, you may want to check into that so you'll know who the Slavs were. But again, this is only for the students who are ahead and they already have A's and they have time to kind of kill like that. You have time to go figure out who Genghis Khan is because that's where this starts. All right, and me, I'm just enjoying the clicking. I'm enjoying talking about this part of world history. So I'm going to stop right there and then I'll show you in class tomorrow exactly where to find that information. All right, World History Cardinals, enjoy the rest of your evening. Enjoy the rest of your morning on February 9th. Hopefully you've adjusted to the new schedule. Remember what I said about extra credit. All right, make sure you go look at that. All right, talk to y'all later.